Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down citation generation. It's an important idea in RAG. So, what is citation generation? RAG systems can cite source documents in answers so users can verify the information. It's one of the core ideas in RAG. Here are the key things to know about citation generation. First, model is instructed to add inline citations or footnotes. Also, references chunk IDs, page numbers, or URLs. Another key point, improves trust and allows fact-checking. On top of that, supported natively in many RAG frameworks. Finally, critical for enterprise and knowledge-intensive applications. And that's citation generation in simple terms. Come back for another RAG concept tomorrow.